If you right-click on any of your graphics and illustrations such as box, 3D or other elements, I could save as a picture. It might be not so important and logical for your regular shape, but just as an example, if I insert something like smart art or chart or even 3D, which I will do that, click on 3D model, I will bring from my device. I select my file and insert. Now I brought my 3D object here. Of course, we could rotate, resize, set the angle, anything. But if I save this document and even bind with 3D, of course, our document size will increase too much. And let's say this is my final result. So there is no reason to keep the 3D object embedded inside of your document. Instead of that, I could right-click and save as a picture, any file name, and note that here, if you choose PNG or portable NFG graphic, it is support alpha channel, which means they have transparency file support. I will save it, yes, replace it. And I will remove that, go to insert again, picture from this device. So I select my picture, insert, there it is with the exact same size. Of course, you could change the layout for wrapping, maybe in front of text to move freely. And now we have even additional access to many features. We could compress it. We could make a transparency. We could add effects. As example, I want to bring some additional things. Allow me to click on artistic effects as an example to bring format picture panel. Now on the fill section, I could set something like, let's say, a pattern, any pattern, and I could change the foreground color, maybe blue. You see, it is very great in the ideal. And still I could add many effects. On the picture section here, we have many presets. Let's say on the picture colorization, I could add something like that. And even we could recolor it, maybe something like this. And note that these effects are non-destructive. What do I mean by non-destructive? I mean this is not the final result of your image. Still, you could adjust it. As an example, I could decrease the saturation, and you see it's lively updating your result. So it is ideal. If you have to do something additional on this which you cannot, of course you could right click and save this picture as again and bring it as the final applied picture. And why I have background with pattern? Because I saved as a PNG and this is with transparency. Of course, if I want to remove, I could click on transparency and go set the transparency, or I could use the remove background, use marker for any color, maybe something like that. I could remove marked some places such as this. Actually, I have to bring back, I want to keep there. Okay, maybe this. And let's remove the bottom side, maybe something like that. I think that's fine. Let's keep here too. And of course, keep changes. And there it is. Now we don't have any extra unwanted elements there.